Neighbors, what's good? You got DJ Neighborhood, and I'm out here today. I'm just getting a photo shoot with the Supra, but I'm gonna just update y'all. So today it's Friday. I don't remember the day. It's what, the 22nd. Today the 22nd. So I bought an exhaust today as well, the AWE exhaust. It'll be here in like 3 to 4 days, but unfortunately it's holiday block leave for us folks in the army or the military, and I'll be going home. So by the time I come back, we'll put the exhaust on there. So I'm just giving you some updates on what I'm doing right now though. We just get some pictures coming. I'm gonna post these on my Instagram and my car page. And yeah, it looks super mint right now. We on this campus. This is just the first stop. So what we're doing right now, we getting some of these. We got the hazards on and all that good stuff. We got some in the parking lot back there. We're gonna swoop it around, get some right here. After we finish doing that, we probably gonna go to another spot. I'm not too sure, but you know, it worked. It's crazy how the weather was super bad. It was raining and everything. Now look how good it looked. But yeah, man, we doing this right here right now. When I get back, I'll have that exhaust, and I'll go get the exhaust put on. The downside about the exhaust is the car is lowered, so I gotta figure out, dang, bro, just almost, hey, you learn somewhere. But downside about the exhaust is the car is lowered, so I'm trying to see if I can find a shop that'll let me like drive up on some wooden planks and then lift it up. We got this place on post called like Sprocket, so I might be able to do something down there. But it just depends on how low it is. If it's low as I think it is, I just have to go old school, get that jack, get up under there myself. But you know, ain't nothing to it but to do it. The exhaust I got, it's the track edition, so it's no resonators, and I think I got chrome tips. Since I got the black tips already on the back of the Supra, I'm just gonna take those tips off and put it on the exhaust. When he gets done over there, I'll walk up and I'll show you the black tips that I'm talking about. You probably remember them. I appreciate the respect, my boy. But yeah, when we get done with that, I might be able to swing around there and show them to you right now. Let me see. Man, that thing look good. I washed it, but you always miss something, man. Look, see, I missed the front down there, but you always miss something. So, but yeah, these are the black tips that I'm gonna put. Oh, these are the black tips that I'm gonna put back on the AWE exhaust, so it don't burn the plastic off for the off the back of the car for when the exhaust get too hot for them days that we down there off in Mexico getting active with the guys. I talked to my other guy who do photography as well. He was talking about, you know, just meeting up one day and like doing a little podcast about car talk and all that. So I said, bet, you know, I'm down for it. I'm a JDM guy at heart. I don't mind the American guys, but you know, JDM where it's at for me. No lie though, I will cop me a vet. I get that vet, man. I get that vet for sure. But yeah, this is what we're doing right here. Like I said, today, the 22nd, I'm going for block leave. I won't be back until the new year, a little after New Year. So this is just the beginning of this video. When I get back, it'll pick up. It'll be a completely different scenery and all that good stuff. So yeah, until then, you know, this is just the first spot. If we go to another spot, I'll pick up at the next spot, and then you know, I'll upload the other half. I'll record the other half of the video, put them together, do my edits and whatever. And then after we get done with that, I'll be at the wherever I'm gonna go to get the exhaust put on. But you know, for sure I'm gonna do it myself, because that's how we get down. I'm not paying nobody. I might have to pay to use the shop to use their lift. But other than that, yeah, that's it. That's about for sure. But when done with that shot, he gonna come show me. I'm gonna give y'all a sneak peek of what he just. How I look. Say less.
Try to show the people.
Look at that. Can't go wrong with that. Yes, sir. I'm feeling that. That look good. That looks super good. And after we get done with there, we're gonna rotate around. Like I said, we're gonna come over here, get something right here. That shot looks super good. You should have seen the ones we were doing at first. It was in the parking lot, but like I said, this right here, that just, it hit different. So, you know, you're dedicated when you get down on the knee. Stop playing, man. But crazy, I met him, man. I was walking out to get a rag to dry the car off after I finished washing. He just told me, man, give you a photo shoot, and that was last week. Here we are today. But yeah, neighbors, if we go to another location, I'll pick up at the next location, and then when I get back from block leave, I'll be in the shop or on the ground up under the car putting the exhaust on. But you know, for sure, we're gonna go from there.